one, go.
Oh, the first snowfall of the season. Welcome to the Snowman Factory. If this doesn't put you in the mood, Merry Christmas. Come on in. I just thought I'd take you on a quick little tour of the Snowman Factory and what you'll see when you come. Advent is less than 2 weeks away. We have the most wonderful Advent calendars, little boxes to put your treats in, which will last year after year. So you don't want to wait too long because December 1 is coming. We have lots of silver and sparkle gnomes. They're everywhere. Globes, cardinals, snow globes, elves. And what would Christmas be like without Mr. and Mrs. Claus? And our jolly old fella up here. Gingerbread, lots of beautiful gingerbread pieces for all the little people. And maybe you'll have to bake some cookies. Candle wreaths, perfect for the center of your table. Carolers, the lit houses, the new ones this year are splendiferous. Ornaments, if we don't have an ornament you don't need an ornament. And of course, our traditional maple syrup, cookies, shortbread, and beautiful new Christmas mugs. Crackers, beautiful crackers to set your table for Christmas. Signage, lots of signs. We have snowmen everywhere, the cutest little snowman you've ever seen, and more that are arriving daily. Pink, pink is still hot, and we have all kinds of darling things in pink. Snow globes, lots of variety. Teddy bears, our beautiful little teddy bears. And what would it be without a squirrel? My friend Jill's favorite. And just a little bling for Christmas. Your t-shirts with girly girl things on them, but so much sparkle and fun for the season. Innis. We ran out of this last year, but we restocked and we've got lots of beautiful Innis. More snowmen. Table runners, lots of table runners to set your beautiful table. Stockings, lots of stockings. And I forgot and lit houses too. I just want to show you before I tell you something else. And I whizzed by, but the indigenous candles are in. We ran out of those last year, and we've got them this year, so they're beautiful. So that's just a little quick tour. If you have any questions, give us a call. Hopefully you'll come and see us. And I hope you enjoy this beautiful fairy tale snowy day. God bless. See you soon.